It has now culminated in a 10-day Tipitika Chanting ceremony in Bodhgaya, starting from today, where the International Sangha will recite from the Milinda Pannapali, Petakupadeshapali and the Thai Sangha, starting from the Vinaya Pitaka. It is the 16th Tipitika Chanting ceremony organized by the International Tipitika Chanting Council, which is being sponsored by the Light of Buddha Dhamma Foundation International. The Venerable Bhikkhu Sangha assembled here will chant in one voice and in one sound for the next 10 days, that is, till the 16th April 2022. Every evening, starting from tomorrow till the 15th April 22, there will be Dharma talks here under the Bodhi tree from 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. The Light of Buddha Dhamma Foundation International has also made arrangements of streaming live of today's inaugural ceremony and certain programs drawn up for the next 10 days. In bringing the International Sangha of monks and lay followers together in this way, the Foundation has been supporting the Buddhist culture of India and is demonstrating the vitality and relevance of this ancient religion in this modern world. It has dedicated itself in reviving the Buddha Dhamma in India by working to promote pilgrimages, to develop the Buddhist circuit, to educate the monks and support Buddhist publications. Buddhism is the third largest world religion and a unifying force in Southeast Asia and the Far East. To see the great country of India playing a role in its development will be a great benefit both for the region and the entire world. The International Tripitaka Chanting Council was inaugurated in 2006 on the occasion of the 2550th Buddha Jayanti at Bodhgaya. With the sponsorship of the Light of Buddha Dhamma Foundation International, the International Tipitika Chanting ceremony is usually organized every year in December under this sacred Bodhi tree in the premises of the Mahabodhi Temple. Sequential sections from the Pali Canon are chanted on each occasion, so that eventually the entire canon will have been recited under the sacred tree where the historical Buddha Sakyamuni had attained enlightenment. Though fewer monks are attending this year, the domain of the ceremony continues to grow graciously. The offering of the Maitreya Buddha statue, which measures more than 7 feet tall to the Mahabodhi Temple, is indeed praiseworthy. Commencing the inaugural ceremony of the 16th Tipitika Chanting, which is being dedicated to world peace, inner harmony, and for the longevity of the Buddha Sasana, I would now invite the most venerable Bhikkhu Sangha assembled here to chant together 3 times Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Sambuddha. So we commence with our inaugural ceremony of the 16th International Tipitika Chanting ceremony.
Members of the Mahasangha, distinguished guests, respected Madam Almo and her active team, respected Shri Karanama, and devoted lay devotees assembled here on this very auspicious occasion. I would like to convey warm greetings to all of you, and also would like to welcome you to this 16th International Tripitaka Chanting ceremony, which will be carried out for 10 days under the sacred Bodhi tree. It's a very happy moment that after a long gap we are able to assemble here. I would like to acknowledge the donation of the Maitreya Buddha statue which we have seen here in front of this event.
ธรรมานุภาเวนะสังฆานุภาเวนะด้วยอำนาจแห่งพระรัตนตรัยขอความสำเร็จในผลอันนี้พึงปฏิบัติเรื่องในพิธีเปิดงานพระราชดำเนินนาชาติครั้งที่16นำมันเป็นพิธีใต้ต้นพระศรีมหาโพธิ์ขอความสำเร็จดังที่ตั้งความปรารถนาของคณะสงฆ์คณะกรรมการจงสำเร็จในโครงการที่ตั้งใจร่วมกันนี้ทุกประการเถิด Venerable Mahathir Sangkanayika from Bangladesh and from Thailand, led by our Reverend Pratom Hotivong, the boss of Wat Thai Bodhgaya and head of Thai Buddhist Missionary to India to Nepal, and others venerable from different places of the world. We come to assembly together here.
On behalf of the Cambodian Mahasangha, I have such a great honor that to deliver a speech and blessing in this opening ceremony. I was waiting for this precious time to come after a long time since December of 2019, and finally it is here, and I'm excited and happy to hear that Mrs. Bodhi and ITCC committee has started our Dhamma Chakra wheel again in this year, that is the 16th International Tripitaka Chanting ceremony in Bodhgaya, after a long gap for the past 2 years. We are lucky that we have overcome the pandemic and had a great fortune to come together again, gathering under the Bodhi tree, reciting the word teaching of Buddha, and share the message to the world. For me, I have such a great opportunity to participate and to be a part of this ceremony and to serve the Buddha Sasana again in this holy place on earth. At last, I would like to thank to Mrs. Mahabodhi, ITCC and its member, BTMC and other participants for making this magical ceremony happen again. I'm looking forward to seeing and to participate for the upcoming ITCC event each and every year, and hoping that there will be not having any interruption again like the pandemic. On the other hand, I would like to pray for our former president of ITCC, Most Venerable Nyananda Mahathir, and those who lost their lives during the COVID-19 pandemic, and those who are under treatment of full and speedy recovery and world peace. I wish this ceremony a smooth and great success. Sappe Satta, that one the Sopetata, may all beings be free from the suffering and get all the cause of happiness. Thank you very much.
हम लोग के पास में धर्म है और धर्म का जो शासन जिसके पास में रहता है वो हमेशा जीवित रहता है। वो कभी मरता नहीं है, वो कभी झुकता भी नहीं है, वो कभी थकता भी नहीं है, वो हमेशा चलता रहता है, झंडे को ऊंचा करके चलता रहता है। 2.5 साल तो हुए, लेकिन जैसे ही मौका मिला वैसे ही धर्म का झंडा थामे हुई, धर्म का झंडा थामे हुई सिस्टर बांगो अमेरिका से चल पड़ी और चल कर सर्वप्रथम जो है न्यू दिल्ली में वहां भी जहां अरविंदो आश्रम का एक बहुत बड़ा आश्रम है वहां पर झंडा गाड़ी। उसके बाद फिर संकेसा, न्यू दिल्ली, संकेसा, फिर कुशीनारा, वैशाली इत्यादि स्थान में झंडा घाट हुए। फिर यहाँ धर्म का झंडा कभी झुकता नहीं है। धर्म हम सब धर्म के मानने वाले हैं।